Hello everyone. Stay tuned because I'm about to dive deep into Nio Stock. You're going to like what I have to show you because it's going to have a huge impact on the Nio Stock price. I'm going to dig into Nio Stock's earnings, jump into a new Nio Stock rumor, and give you an absolute killer Nio Stock forecast. You're going to want to see this. And to back everything up, I just purchased a small house worth of Nio Stock shares this morning. I'll reveal how many Nio shares I bought towards the end of the video. I like to put my money where my mouth is. If I'm telling you about a stock, it's because I really think it has a lot of upside potential to make a lot of money. If you've watched me before, welcome back. If you haven't, welcome. I'm David Parker. I've been trading and investing in stocks for over 15 years. I would like to think I know what I'm doing by now, but I'll let you be the judge of that. My goal here is to provide you with the best information out there and hopefully help you make better decisions. But before I begin breaking down Nio, please go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe to my channel.
Like and subscribe, or you will be cursed with bad luck for life.
No! God, please, no!
It will let the YouTube algorithm know that you like my content. Also, to make sure you don't miss anything, press that little bell icon next to the subscribe button anytime I upload a new video about stocks. It will let you know first. Trust me, you're going to want to see them because they typically make money. Alright, let's get started with Nio's financials and their deliveries. Nio stock is up more than 1,000% in the past 6 months, which is absolutely insane. In the world of electric vehicles, the most important number to me is deliveries. If their delivery numbers are growing consistently, then I'm a happy investor. Nio just recently provided an update on its October delivery performance, and I think it looks very good. On November 2nd, they delivered 5,055 electric vehicles, which is a 100% increase over last year's November amount. And year-to-date, they have delivered 31,430 cars, an increase of 111% from last year. Additionally, they reported on October 2nd that their September deliveries rose by 133% over last year's 4,708 numbers, and its third quarter deliveries rose by 154% over last year with 12,206 deliveries. This also represents significant monthly progress. For example, in August, they delivered 3,965 cars, and in July, there were 3,533 deliveries. So the October deliveries were up 7.4% over September and up 27.5% over August. So think about that. In 2 months, its monthly deliveries are up by 27%. With what we are seeing, we can assume its average monthly deliveries increase at 14% per month. At this pace, Nio could deliver 5,750 cars in November and 6,540 in December. That results in 17,345 estimated deliveries in Q4, or 42% more than the 12,206 deliveries in Q3, and 68% more than the 10,331 delivered in Q1. To sum it up, Nio is increasing their deliveries each month at an amazing rate. This is what we want to see from an electric vehicle company. It's very exciting news for us as investors. Let's jump into a new rumor surrounding Nio, which I think could be very good news for investors. Nio founder and chairman William Lai told reporters that the company would go global in the second half of 2021, beginning with Europe. He said, "We hope in the second half of next year we can begin making some preliminary attempts in some countries that are more welcome to electric vehicles." Some unconfirmed reports have surfaced, further expanding on his comments, stating, Nio intends to launch their ES8 and ES6 models in Europe next year with the opening of their first Nio House store in Copenhagen, Denmark. This contradicts from previous reports that had highlighted Norway as the company's first targeted destination outside of China, but I don't think their destination matters much as long as there is demand for electric vehicles. In a project dubbed Marco Polo, Nio has set to be aiming for sales of 7,000 electric vehicles in its first 2 years in Europe. According to these reports, they already have an overseas sales unit set up, ready to start in the second half of 2021. If Nio starts expanding globally, we can expect their delivery numbers to look a lot better than previously anticipated. Now that we have a good idea of how much Nio is delivering and their plans for expansion, I will make some price predictions. So we know 2 things from the Q2 earnings report. First, Nio delivered 10,331 electric vehicles. Second, they had revenue of $493 million, so we can calculate the average selling price of the Q2 cars. If we divide $493 million by 10,331 vehicles, the average selling price is $47,759. Using this information and assuming that the average selling price increases by 1% per quarter, I estimate that Nio will produce 43,720 electric cars in 2020 with a total revenue of $2.1 billion. Nio will deliver less than half of the deliveries that Tesla is set to deliver this year. In fact, Tesla's revenue is forecast to be $31 billion in 2020, and its present market value is $400 billion. This means that Nio stock is worth a lot more than what it's priced at right now. For example, at 48 billion, Nio's market cap is about 10% of Tesla's market cap. By the end of 2021, Nio is projected to produce around 44% of what Tesla will produce this year. Its revenue could be 11 billion, or about 36% of Tesla's revenue. With all that being said, it's likely that the stock market might push Nio stock up 36% or more based on the revenue alone. That would work out to be a 132 billion market cap for Nio stock. Assuming we have no more capital raises and no major revenue variations, Nio stock should be worth 3 times more at a 132 billion market cap, giving us a share price of $105. If they continue in this growth trajectory, we can expect Nio stock will continue to move up quite dramatically. Throw in the hype factor, and I think we will see some crazy new all-time highs that will make us all a lot of money. So, as I mentioned earlier, I bought a small house worth of Nio shares this morning. I'm so confident that Nio is going to make some big moves in its future that I bought $165,220 worth of Nio stock. My average share price is $39.38, and I received a total of 4,195 Nio shares. I'm very happy with my Nio purchase, and I can't wait to see what their Q3 report looks like on November 17th. I'm expecting positive numbers.
All right, guys, that's it. Thank you so much for tuning in, as always. I would be so thankful if you like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell.